Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of CME Globex, a giant in the world of electronic trading. Whether you're already into futures trading or you're just exploring the space for the first time, this is one review you don't want to miss. CME Globex isn't just another trading platform. It's where serious global market action happens. We'll go through what it is, who it's for, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's truly the best platform for futures trading. Let's get started. CME Globex is the flagship electronic trading platform of the CME Group, which includes the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, Chicago Board of Trade, NYMEX, and COMEX. It's the heart of electronic derivatives trading, handling an eye-popping over 17 million contracts a day across commodities, equities, interest rates, FX, energy, and more. Launched in 1992, Globex revolutionized futures trading by replacing traditional open outcry pits with 24/5 electronic access. This gave global traders, from large institutions to hedge funds and even retail brokers, the ability to execute trades nearly 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, regardless of time zone. So what exactly can you trade on Globex? Practically everything. Futures on oil, gold, natural gas, and lots more. Equity index features like the E-mini S&P 500. Interest rate futures including Euro-dollar and US Treasuries. Currencies like the Euro, Yen, and British Pound, and even newer products like Bitcoin futures. This diversity is one of the reasons CME Globex is the gold standard. It doesn't just offer access, it offers liquidity, speed, and a deep network of global participants. Now let us talk about the main features of CME Globex. Global around-the-clock access. Globex allows traders to access markets almost 24/5, letting them respond to global news and volatility anytime, anywhere. Ultra-low latency execution. Thanks to a state-of-the-art matching engines in Chicago and other locations, order execution on Globex is measured in microseconds. That's mission critical for institutional traders and high-frequency strategies. Broad product spectrum. From classic commodities like corn and crude oil to interest rates, currencies, metals, and Bitcoin, Globex supports a huge products lineup. Built-in risk controls. Globex features pre-trade and post-trade risk controls to help protect both clients and clearing firms. Tools like price banding help prevent erroneous trades due to fat fingers or market anomalies. Flexible connectivity. You can connect via direct market access, co-location, or through approved ISVs using fixed protocol or other APIs. Real-time market data feeds. Users can subscribe to live price feeds with depth of market information for better order execution strategies. What is the pricing like? Accessing CME Globex isn't exactly plug and play like a mobile stock app. Here's what you need to know. There are market data fees, there are trading fees which are charged per contract, and largely you wouldn't pay CME directly unless you're a large participant, but it's still important to understand that there are fees that flow through to your bottom line. To get more details about these fees, you will need to create an account with the CME Group, sign up with them, and use CME Globex. What are the pros and cons of using CME Globex? Global market access, high liquidity, speed and reliability, security and compliance. Those are strong pros. How about the cons? It might not be beginner friendly because the platform and its products are complex, better suited for professionals or experienced traders. Costs can stack up, and there's a steep learning curve. So it brings us to the million-dollar question. Is CME Globex the best platform for futures trading? If you're looking for the most robust, liquid, and diverse futures trading environment, CME Globex is probably your best bet. It's not just the biggest, it's arguably the most sophisticated, used by hedge funds, central banks, and institutional traders worldwide. But here's the reality. While it can be the best, it's not always the best for everyone. For example, if you're brand new to trading or you don't need access to the kind of advanced tools that Globex provides, it might be overkill. Ultimately, if you're serious about futures and you want depth, you want speed, and professional grade tools, CME Globex is a platform that is worth learning and using. That's it on the review of the CME Globex. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ninja Trader, Eurex Exchange, and Intercontinental Exchange. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.